Good evening, friends. I'm back much earlier than expected with another new uh, craft to show you. I've got this mason jar here. I'm going to be showing you how to decorate this. Alright, and I've sketched the outline of a little sitting angel. Okay, uh, I'm just debating as to whether I should use glass paint, glass colors for the angel or normal acrylic colors. We'll decide about that later. For now, let me color uh, the remaining part of the mason jar, and we'll color the angel later. Alright, here's my little angel. Alright, okay, so let's get started, friends. I've taken a sponge dabber for the paint, and I'm giving the first coat of white acrylic paint. This has dried up quite well, so let's give another coat of paint. I'm just randomly taking a bit of light blue and white. Let's see how it turns out. Let it dry out completely. Okay, now what shall we do next? Hi friends, I've colored this in blue. I've given it 3 coats, and despite that the colors are not sticking too well, or the blue color is not sticking too well, hence see these patches are there despite giving 3 coats. So I don't understand what the reason is. Anyway, I'm leaving this for now. Maybe later on I'll try and correct it. In the meantime, I'm going ahead with the glass colors for the little angel. Alright, and trying to mix a few drops of glass color yellow with acrylic white paint to see if I can get a good shade for the face and the hands and legs of the little angel. So since I don't have a creamish looking watercolor, I mean glass color, so I thought I'll give this a shot. Let me try this out. How it looks. I guess this color is okay. Probably this also will have to be a double coat once it dries up. I have some silver powder here. Let me see if this works. Let me try that out. I've taken some silver powder of Fevicryl paint and mixed it with the earlier combination of what we used for the face and the rest of the body. Let me see how this turns out. I'm going ahead with the acrylic paints, friends, because I feel that would give a better look. than the transparent glossy look of glass paints. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, let this dry and I'll try another coat of paint and let's see how that turns out. With the black acrylic paint for the head. Okay, this is how the little angels turned out. Okay, and yeah, we need to fill colors on the dress too. Here's our little angel. Okay, now I'll give the finishing touches once this first coat dries out, and then I'll show it to you. Alright, so here you go, friends. The mason jar is complete with this freestyle art. Not much of an art, as this was just an experiment, but still would like to share it with you. I'm sure you can do a better job of this, and let me see if I can try something better the next time around. Anyways, hope you like it, at least the process, and try it out yourselves. Alright, see you soon. Please do subscribe to my channel and share with all your contacts, your friends and family, and request them to subscribe as well. Thank you.